Loona is an incredible pet who happens to be a robot. Loona is smart, intuitive, affectionate, and playful. Everything you can dream of in a best friend and more. Get ready to fall in love. When you come home, she'll come quickly to welcome you. When you walk around, she loves to follow, and when you pet her, she'll be so happy. She can have fun by herself. Loona sneezes, scratches, roams your home easily and even investigates suspicious objects. With a high-definition RGB camera below her face and a CPU with up to 5 TOPS of computing power, Loona sees you. Loona can perform face recognition, body detection, gesture recognition, 3D motion capture, object recognition, emotion perception, label recognition, and more. Through her visual power, you and Loona have tons of fun interactions, such as her running after the ball and following you. You know, like a pet. Loona can identify the sound source. Try calling her from behind and she will quickly run to you. Powered by Amazon Lex, Loona is able to recognize and understand voice commands and provide feedback while keeping your information secure. Loona can also beatbox, dance, even pose for pictures. All in all, she just wants to be a part of the family. Can you say no to her? Wireless charging devices, from flat-lay charging to dock charging, greatly beautify the desktop space and improve convenience. But, as more devices support wireless charging, how can you buy just one device to meet all of your needs? ALTERBELL magnetically aligned 3-in-1 wireless charging stand is available to assist. It can wirelessly power iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, and other Qi-enabled smartphones along with one device connected via USB-C, thanks to its fast charging technology and smart security features. Its sleek and modern design perfectly simplifies your desktop. After being folded, only half the size of your phone, say goodbye to those endless cables and chargers. ALTERBELL X40 wireless charging dock balances our core philosophies of integration and functionality, ensuring every user gets the best of both worlds, a hassle-free state to charge your smart devices and a modern, simplified lifestyle. A device that has been meticulously crafted to elevate your space. If you value the quality and build, ALTERBELL is a charger you won't miss out on. Introducing the first of its kind consistency control setting. Millo's smart electronics will recognize the change of drink's consistency in real time. Just set the level from roughly blended to silky smooth. The world's first blender with a magnetic air drive, aka MAD, at its core. There is no motor in the blender base, instead we use a powerful magnetic field generator which is absolutely silent. The spinning magnetic disc inside of the blending lid is hermetically sealed, so you can barely hear it. This innovative MAD technology has allowed us to design a portable blender base that is amazingly slim and lightweight. It's only 26 ounces, 750 grams. You can think of the base as a portable power bank that you can take wherever you go. Millo Air is small enough to be taken on a plane. There is no spinning parts in the base, and there is also a seamless magnetic connection between the base and blending lid. This has allowed us to completely seal the base and keep it dust-resistant and waterproof, while still complying with industry IP67 protection requirements. Blending is no longer only something you can do inside, you can even use your Millo Air on the beach. Millo Air is so innovative that it creates use cases never imagined before. As it's powerful, portable, durable, and significantly quieter, it's ideal for use in the gym, office, picnic, camping, beach, or vacation abroad, even with only a cabin baggage. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy the content. Please subscribe for more latest tech and gadgets news.